Big old truck, it's got some big old wheels. I got my gear shift knob, I like the way it feels. If you get in my way, I'll knock you down to size. Run you off the road, I won't apologize. Cause I'm a pot-bellied, beer-drinking, hard-headed son of a gun. And I can out-drink, out-drive, out-gross anyone. I like my donuts stale, I like my french fries old, I like my fast food hamburgers greasy and cold. Like to chew my jaw till my teeth are green. Got the greasiest pants that you ever seen. Cause I'm a fast driving, slow thinking, hard hitting son of a gun. And I can out drink, out drive, out gross anyone. My t-shirt's tight so you can see my gut. I like my pants long and low so you can see my butt. I like to belch real loud when I'm drinking beer. And when I'm eating beans, you best get out of here. Cause I'm a thick-skulled, lead-footed, dim-witted son of a gun. And I can out-drink, out-drive, out-gross anyone. Yeah, I'm a big, fat, redneck, stubborn, stinky son of a gun. Here we go. And I can out drink, out drive, out gross.